Hey everybody, Kurt Mennerink here with Miedema Asset Management Group. I wanted to take a minute to tell you about a really nice auction that we have coming up with our Miedema Auctioneering company. It's a live auction called BriMar Wood Innovations, and we're doing the auction in Goshen, Indiana. And sale date is Wednesday, May 15. The auction is going to be live and on site, so you can simply show up and bid right there in person. But if you can't make it, we're going to have online bidding as well available, and you're going to be able to do that through Bid Spotter. So go right to bidspotter.com. If you can't make it to the sale site, you can bid right online. BriMar Wood Innovations is a furniture manufacturing company. They're relocating, so they're selling a large assortment of woodworking equipment in that auction, pretty much everything wall to wall, ceiling to floor within the shop. Some of the real features of the sale are a Homag Drillteq CNC pocket drilling, boring, and dowel inserting machine. We've got a nice Weeke CNC router, a nice Altendorf sliding table saw, several other table saws, band saws, routers, spray booths, hand tools, power tools, everything and anything you can imagine that was in a nice woodworking shop is going to be in the sale. We've got over 400 items in this auction, so it's going to be a good day and a fun day. We'll be selling live and right on site, like we said, or again, you can participate online through Bid Spotter. So the doors are going to be open for preview. If you want to come down and inspect prior to the auction, we'll be open on Monday from 9 to 4, as well as Tuesday from 9 to 4, and then on auction day as well, of course. And the live auction will start right at 10 a.m. So we're looking forward to it. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. As always, we're happy to help. You can call us, text us, and email us. Otherwise, we hope to see you there at the auction on auction day, May 15, out at BriMar Wood Innovation.